Start on your side with your feet together and one forearm directly below your shoulder. Contract your core and raise your hips until your body is in a straight line from head to feet. Let your hips drop under control to the floor. Then contract your obliques to raise your hips back up to the plank position and repeat.